Haircut, trim, groom, and detail with Wahl's stainless steel Lithium Ion Plus. With high-performance blades, our most advanced lithium-ion technology, and a real brushed stainless steel body, this trimmer is truly the best. It also comes equipped with 4 interchangeable heads and 8 guide combs to make trimming and haircutting even easier. The stainless steel T-blade is good for close cuts, faded and full haircuts with added guide combs, and trimming various beard lengths using the beard guides. The detail shaver is perfect for getting closer, clean-cut shaves. The detail trimmer is effective for cleaning up close detail shaves. And the ear-nose trimmer is great for trimming those sensitive, hard-to-reach ear and nose areas. Pick up your stainless steel Lithium Ion Plus trimmer today. Wahl, the brand used by professionals since 1919.